Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add some information to your project so that you remember what was happening during said project. So what I've done is I've opened up a project inside of FieldGenius. I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. That's going to open up my main menu here, and I'm going to click on Settings and then Project Information. Do note you can also access this menu when you're creating a new project, but in this case I've already created my project. So what I can do is I can add some information about what is happening in my project. In this case, I'm going to add my crew members as myself and myself. My instrument, I'm going to say I was using a Zoom 95 robot. I'm not going to put in a serial number as I don't actually have one on my desk, if I'm being honest with you. I'm going to pretend the degrees is a nice, comfortable 25 degrees Celsius. As I live in Canada, I will not be using Fahrenheit as I can't do that off the top of my head. Once I have my temperature entered, I'm also going to put in my pressure parameters. In this case, I'm just going to say it's 1 atmosphere. I know that's probably not the more common measurement, but I am from a chemistry background, so I used a lot of atmospheres through school. I can then also enter my ppm and any notes I have. In my case, I'm going to add a note that says a little more about this project, and I'm going to say I can't believe that they sent 2 of the same guy to 1 project. Seems a bit unfair if you're asking me. Once I have that all entered, I can save it by clicking on OK, and I can now access this information on my export or any other time I need to access it by re-entering said menu. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the project information field to add extra information about your project inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.